Okay, we're on. Hang on, move. Oh, cute. There we go. Oh, and then we can see mine too on the front. Here we are. We're talking about Brew City yarns today. Okay, you can move.
Okay, phew, my knees.
Sorry,
My
I know you already
knees.
worked out.
Yeah, I
today,
did.
So that was a good extra bonus.
So,
Can you guys hear us? Because it's loud out here on Grand Avenue. And this is, yeah.
we are doing, being as crazy as we always are because we got a shipment of Brew City yarns and we got some special stuff. So, you know how we love Harry Potter.
We know how you all love Harry Potter too. I don't have my wand.
Oh,
dang
yeah,
it.
you can borrow that one.
Okay, we'll share. I technically not supposed to do that.
Yeah, technically. So we, from Brew City, they put out some special kits that have to do with Harry Potter. And it happens to be something I've already knit before, so I really do like this pattern. But it's called the Toolbox Mitts.
Super pretty, cute.
Yeah, so an
Fingering weight yarn.
use lots of fun colors. And the pattern is by Adventure du Jour Design, so just so you know.
Nice pattern.
So, yeah, it's a great pattern. It's really fun to knit with. So, we got...
So at Market, those great gals over at Brew City.
You know, they're all about that. And-
Linda had a beer there too, just
Yeah,
saying.
they did have beer.
Yeah,
and,
it was warm though.
And this t-shirt actually is specially made for these yarns because the Harry Potter, because it's all witchy.
Right.
So we kind of look like the little Bewitched.
I know, it's cute.
Kinda
Their
looks
logo's
like
really
that,
cute.
yeah. So they have toolbox kits that are based on house colors. So
Wait, you should turn it around because
Oh,
there's
sorry.
a bonus pin in each one.
Oh, that's right. Look,
Yeah, can you see?
see that?
And sorry if you can't even hear us.
Yeah.
We haven't tested.
No,
we
I
never
I
test
think
anything
we're good.
ahead of
I
time.
think we're good.
Okay, so there's the Gryffindor one. Beautiful,
You
beautiful.
know, I just realized these t-shirts are for the houses, and now that I know that I'm not Gryffindor, I thought that I was, but I guess I should have a green one on.
No.
Here's Ravenclaw.
Pretty. Even if you're not a Harry Potter fan,
Yeah.
these are really pretty.
And
colors.
they're really, really fun to make.
Okay.
Here's
Da-da-da.
Slytherin.
Slytherin greens, nice.
Where's the, oh, here it is, okay. And then this is Hufflepuff.
Gold,
So,
yellow, beautiful.
We have a limited amount of these, so
That's right.
I would definitely give us a call in, whatever. So yeah, because they're really fun.
They're
So,
really fun.
Let me show you the
We love
pattern
them.
again. So this one is noisy car. I guess they don't
Someone's
really care.
leaving.
Anyway, that's the Slytherin. So just give you a really good idea. Here, show the Slytherin.
Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm not awake. Maybe jet lag or something. Okay. Voila. Little
yeah.
glare on that plastic, but really pretty.
So you can see. Okay.
Okay, and magic. Okay, now we're
Magic.
transitioning. I'm going to take this
Yeah.
hat off because it's going to blow away.
Yeah, we are transitioning because the other thing that we got from Brew City that, well, I was really excited about because I've always loved the movie Moulin Rouge. And Sue's not quite the fan that I am, but it's starred,
I've seen it. I like it. I mean, I like
Ewan
it, but I don't love
McGregor
it.
and Nicole Kidman, and it's a great soundtrack. And
The music's good.
I recommend it. We're playing it all day today, whether she likes it or not. So come on in and get your groove on. So anyway, colors relating to Moulin Rouge.
Okay.
So we'll go with this one because it's like the first one you might hear in the
Opening segment.
movie. Of the
Wait a minute. Are you
of
singing?
the event. No.
no.
But the guy, this is called Spectacular. Spectacular.
It is beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
It is incredible.
Yeah.
And then, so based on songs, right?
Yep. I like that
Lady Marmalade. You know that
one.
one.
Marmalade's good.
Don't think it has anything to do with food.
Yeah, it is good
But
though.
maybe that's what your brain's on. Okay. And then this one, Come What May, the song that Ewan and Nicole sing to each other.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, it is gorgeous.
Nice
Oh.
colors.
And then, well, we have this one. It's called
yeah.
Absinthe Fairy.
Pretty.
And that's
We just got,
about
so we
a
had,
drink.
right, yeah,
well, it's the
anyway.
Green Fairy in the movie.
So we only have
but-
one of those left
Yeah,
because
already
two,
sold
someone
out.
called, two are gone. We just got the box yesterday.
So it seems like Packer fans seem to like this. So. Okay, but we did get a little restock on a couple.
Right, because this really beautiful locally designed crochet cowl,
It's by DJ Paulette. She lives in Laurel,
so just down the road.
and it's been super popular. It's so beautiful.
She used a little bit of Brew City in it, and so we were out, so we restocked on
So
that.
it's called Highland Fling, but that's the color in there.
pretty.
So, yep.
And then isn't this polka dot sheep too?
Yeah, that's a polka dot
Yummy.
sheep color. I think it's called Glacier.
Uh-huh.
And then we got a restock of this one, which seems to be quite popular. It is a Harry Potter color. It's called Hollows Gray, and it's a Slytherin color. So
Nice.
cool stuff.
Yay.
So
All right.
let me show you that T-shirt again. Let's see if I can do it.
Wait, I've got a back too. You want me to do?
yeah,
Okay,
let's
ready?
see yours.
Is it my turn?
Look
well,
at
I don't know.
this matches
Does it
you.
work?
Yep.
Where am
There you are.
Right there. Okay.
And there's mine.
Brew City.
All right, come on in, you guys.
Bye.
See you later.